Hi everyone, welcome back to another PA automation tutorial. This time we're going to run the grant revoke mailbox access for a single mailbox in ConnectWise for a cloud hybrid client. So we can see that PA has actually read the ticket details and is now suggesting the automation that it assumes that it can do. We hit the prompt, PA then goes through and finds all mailboxes in the Exchange Online environment. We select our mailbox that we actually want to change the permissions for, and then we select the user who is gaining the access to the above selected mailbox. We hit go, we see the note at the bottom, actual permissions will be granted on the next step. This is the permission step. We have our matrix here to show you what you can do. You hit full, you can hit send as, you can remove auto mapping, and we hit go, and then just like that, you have actually completed a change of mailbox permissions. So if you want to learn more about PIA, our automations are a platform, please feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. Apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.